Now, let's talk about the behavior of the graph of a polynomial function with multiplicity of roots. When you say multiplicity of roots, that means that a given root of a given polynomial function will appear on the given polynomial function multiple times. Now, let's talk about the characteristic of the multiplicity of a given polynomial function. Now, if the multiplicity is odd, that means that the given root crosses the x-axis, or the given intercept crosses the x-axis. If the given root naman is even, or the x-intercept is even, the multiplicity is even, then the given intercept is tangent to the x-axis. Now, let's have an example using activity 10. How should I pass through? Given the function y is equal to quantity x plus 2 quantity squared times quantity x plus 1 quantity cubed times quantity x minus 1 quantity raised to 4 times quantity x minus 2. So this is the given function. Now, how can we get the roots? So this is positive, make it negative. This is positive 1, make it negative 1. This is negative 1, make it positive 1. And this is negative 2, make it positive 2. Now, next, negative 2 will appear on the given root how many times? The multiplicity is 2, so it will appear 2 times. So the multiplicity is 2. Next, negative 1 will appear 3 times. So multiplicity of 3. Next, positive 1 appears 4 times. So multiplicity of 4. Positive 2 will only appear once. So multiplicity niya ay 1 lang. Now, let's talk about the characteristic. Is the characteristic odd or even? 2 is even. Correct? So, if it is even, what can you say about the behavior of the graph relative to x-axis at this root? That means it crosses, or should I say tangent? Correction. If it is even, then it is tangent. Tangent to x-axis. Next, 3 is odd. Therefore, it crosses the x-axis. 4 is even. Therefore, the behavior of the graph relative to x-axis is tangent to x-axis. Next, 1 is odd. Therefore, it just crosses the x-axis. So that's it. That's how you describe the behavior of the graph